to my channel, Jeanette's Lifestyle. Hope everyone is doing well. Anyway, guys, today I just wanted to share you that
it's our birthday.
we both what is it? A microwave. Yeah, because it's been our first microwave here in when we moved here. It's like already 6 years, so it's time for us to change it into a new one. Yeah, so we just finally bought this one, which is the Russell Hobbs. Yeah, so
Nice soup.
yeah, it's one of the best. I'm not sure, but as far as I know,
Very simple microwave, but nice
yeah,
looking.
our first microwave as well here is Russell Hobbs. So this
And
is
also
our
very simple. We like simple.
our second time.
We don't like hundreds of buttons. We like just
Yeah,
simple one.
so Dada
Let's
will
do it.
open it. We are unboxing it.
Let's see what is under the big plate.
Yeah.
Probably there is a microwave. I guess so. We will do it upside down.
Are you sure?
Down. Yes,
Careful.
I am. Because everything is packed and this is the easiest way to get it out. So, this can go back and then we will turn it back to the right position.
Yeah. The first one we have is gray and now is like more darker, or this one is black. Yeah, Dada.
I don't know.
They have the white one, but I prefer the black one because it's easy to clean, you know, not like the white one. Yeah, so we have here.
Hooray, hooray!
We like,
new
my family like
microwave.
all the style of it. Yeah, so it looks like that. It has a silver, what is it?
But no gold.
Silver.
Just silver. Oh, we got 50 pounds for wine to get
Wine
drunk.
voucher.
Wow, that's pretty.
Wow.
Wow.
That's pretty, yeah, Phoebe?
Pretty.
Yeah.
I like this.
You
What's
like it?
that?
Yes. It's the,
We need knife again.
yeah.
Ew, what's that?
This is the glass plate.
Yeah.
That.
That's the microwave, sweetie. There you go.
Oh. Oh.
Oh,
That's
microwave.
You need to take off.
There is some tape.
Yeah.
Let's remove the tape.
It's 700 watts.
So this is the minimum, but we really don't need more than 700 watts.
The color is
Yes, we are
jet
not-
black compact manual microwave. Yeah.
Pretty.
Yes, wow.
That's it. We can
So pretty.
Yeah, you see, it's just easy to
I love it.
it.
I love it.
To
I
use.
love it.
There's a
I love it.
timer in minutes, and
I
yeah,
love it.
everything is
Power
here.
adjustment.
Low,
really
defrost, the power
I really
adjustment,
love it.
low from
I
low
really
to
love
medium,
it.
high,
Low to
and
high.
high. Yes.
I really love
So I like, or we like the silver and the, you know.
Nie ma soup. They didn't include that
it. I
soup.
love this.
Say hi, Dada.
Say hi.
So, oh, there is still here plastic one.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah, so it's really nice. So we have here the,
Let's cook something.
yeah, this is the model number and the instructions, of course. Yeah, so
As simple as it can be.
they have also white one, yeah, Dada, color, but this is one of the, you know, nice.
No gold version.
Okay, so It's time for us to check there in our own kitchen, of course. So,
Say hi.
hi. So, anyway, guys, thank you for watching. And if you are still new to my channel, please hit the like button and share and comment as well, and subscribe. And please don't forget also to click the bell button for you to be updated for my new videos to come, okay? So as you see, guys, here are the information about it. Yeah, that's why it's one of our best choices. Yeah, so it has a 5 microwave power levels plus defrost, up to 30-minute timer, easy to use, full handle, the silver color. As what I have said before, it's 700 watts microwave power. Yeah, and of course compact size dimensions. So I think most of the microwaves smaller, I mean the normal size are this one. Yeah, so this is one of our best choices. Yes, so as you see, the color is jet black compact manual microwave. Yeah, it's 17. What is that? Easy to use. The internal is 17 liters. Volume. Yeah. So it's very easy to operate. Yeah, so it's like that. And in our kitchen, it looks like this. There you go. Yes. Yeah. You see, most of the microwaves looks like that inside, of course. And in Europe, it's famous here. It is because of we need to reheat food as quick as possible. Yeah. And of course here, you see, the outside is really nice with silver handle. Yeah, and of course here it likes you have a mirror. Yes, and of course here how it looks upside, and the down, the what is it, the sides. Yeah, so there you go. So once again, thank you for watching, guys, and thank you. It's time for me to say bye for now.